Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you find this information helpful. Today, we're taking a look at Metro Bank, specifically their online presence at www.metrobankonline.co.uk. Navigating the world of online banking can be tricky, so let's explore what Metro Bank offers through its digital platform. Their website serves as the primary gateway for customers to manage their finances remotely, offering a range of services designed for convenience and accessibility. From checking account balances and transaction histories to making payments and transfers, the online portal aims to provide a comprehensive banking experience from the comfort of your own home or on the go. The website's design is likely intended to be user-friendly, providing clear navigation to different sections such as personal banking, business banking, and perhaps even investment options. Customers can expect to find information about various account types, loan products, and other financial services offered by Metro Bank. Security is paramount in online banking, and the Metro Bank website undoubtedly incorporates measures to protect customer data and prevent unauthorized access. This likely includes features like strong password requirements, multi-factor authentication, and encryption technologies. Beyond the core banking functions, the website may also offer resources and tools to help customers manage their finances more effectively. This could include budgeting tools, financial planning advice, or even educational materials on various financial topics. Furthermore, the site likely provides contact information for customer support, offering assistance through phone, email, or perhaps even live chat. For those who prefer banking on the move, Metro Bank probably also offers a dedicated mobile app, extending the functionality of the website to smartphones and tablets. This provides a seamless banking experience across different devices, allowing customers to manage their finances anytime, anywhere. By exploring the Metro Bank website, you can discover the full range of features and services they offer, enabling you to make informed decisions about your banking needs.